To clean the air filter and flame arrestor on a Reliance gas water heater, turn off the water heater and allow the unit to cool off for about 15 minutes. Remove the air filter from around the base of the water heater. Clean off the filter with a vacuum or wash it in soapy water and dry it thoroughly. Use an inspection tool to locate and inspect the flame arrestor. Clean it off if needed with an appliance brush. If the brush is dirty, vacuum it off, then repeat cleaning and vacuuming until the brush comes out clean. Vacuum inside the water heater. Replace the air filter. Turn on the water heater.